Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving deep into game-changing trends that are revolutionizing the way we work, Gemini Drops and vibe coding with AI agents. We are not just scratching the surface here. We are going to explore how these tools can skyrocket your productivity by a whopping 10 times. No fluff, no filler, just the good stuff that actually works. What you need to watch out for, and how to get those real, tangible gains in your workflow. Let's kick things off with Gemini Drops. Google been making waves with their latest innovation, monthly Gemini Drops, that bring a fresh feed of new features and productivity tips right to your Gemini app. It's like Christmas every month for productivity enthusiasts. The July 2025 update is particularly exciting, introducing a productivity planner gem that seamlessly combines Gmail, Calendar, and Drive into one supercharged dashboard. Imagine having all your essential tools in one place working together to automate those mind-numbing, repetitive tasks. We're talking serious time savings and a significant reduction in your mental load. Now, let's shift gears and talk about vibe coding. If you haven't heard this term before, you're in for a treat. Vibe coding is essentially writing code using plain English prompts with an AI doing most of the heavy lifting. This concept was coined by the brilliant Andrei Karpathy in early 2025, and it's been gaining traction ever since. The beauty of vibe coding is that it opens up the world of app development to pretty much anyone, even if you don't have deep coding skills. It's perfect for quickly throwing together prototypes or small tools. But a word of caution, while it's great for rapid development, you might want to think twice before using it for critical production code without proper oversight. Here's where things get really interesting: the combination of vibe coding and agentic AI agents. While vibe coding focuses on that creative flow, agentic AI takes it to a whole new level. We're talking about AI agents that can plan, test, and deploy code independently. Third-generation tools like Zencastr's Zen Agents, Cursor Agent Mode, and Claude are pushing the boundaries, managing entire software development lifecycle workflows. Picture this: you provide the vision and guidance, and these AI agents execute the nitty-gritty details. Together, they empower you to function like a 100x engineer. It's like having a team of expert developers at your fingertips ready to bring your ideas to life. So how can you start using these tools smartly? First off, dive into those Gemini Drops features. The Productivity Planner is a great place to start. Use it to automate your scheduling and tackle that never-ending email triage. When it comes to vibe coding, start with user-friendly platforms like Replit or Cursor. These are built from the ground up with vibe coding in mind, making them perfect for beginners. Once you're comfortable, level up by adding agents like Cursor's Agent Mode or Claude-powered tools to handle more complex tasks like testing or back-end development. Here's a pro tip: don't sleep on Bugbot from Cursor. This AI-powered debugging tool is a game-changer, flagging logic and security issues faster than you can say bug fix. It's like having a tireless QA team working around the clock to ensure your code is top-notch. Let's walk through a practical workflow example to see how all these pieces fit together. Step 1. Fire up the Gemini app and use the shiny new Productivity Planner gem to map out your tasks for the day. Step 2. Launch Cursor or Claude agent and describe what you need. Let's say you want to create a task tracker app with both a UI and an API. Step 3 is where the magic happens. Work alongside your AI assistant, refining prompts, reviewing the generated code, and running Bugbot to catch any sneaky errors. Step 4 is all about iteration. Ask your AI agent to fix those bugs it found and let it test out the new features. Finally, Step 5, you give the final stamp of approval. Just like that, you've shipped code with minimal typing and review time. It's like having a superpower that lets you build and deploy at lightning speed. Now, let's talk about the benefits and risks of this approach. On the plus side, you can whip up prototypes in minutes, dramatically lowering the barrier to entry for non-coders. When used correctly, this workflow can boost your solo output by 10 to 100 times. But let's not get carried away. There are risks to consider. AI can make mistakes or introduce bugs, so never trust it blindly. Vibe-generated code might include security flaws or logic gaps that aren't immediately obvious. For real, production-ready projects, you still need that human touch and engineering oversight. Here are some pro tips to help you make the most of these tools. First, use clear language when communicating with your AI assistants. The better your prompt, the better code you'll get in return. Start small, build simple MVPs, and test the AI agent's output carefully. Make Bugbot or similar debugging tools your new best friend to catch those pesky errors before they become big problems. Stay on top of those Gemini Drops. Each month, Google is adding features that could save you hours of work. And remember to strike a balance between vibe coding and agentic checks. You're the captain of this ship. Steer the course and let the AI execute your vision. As we wrap up, let's recap the game-changing potential of Gemini Drops and vibe coding agents. These tools have the power to completely transform your workflow if you use them wisely. Start small, stay aware, and gradually integrate these tools into your process. The key is to find that sweet spot where AI amplifies your creativity and productivity without compromising on quality or security. I hope this deep dive has given you some practical insights and inspiration to supercharge your productivity. If you are hungry for more, maybe some specific examples or prompt templates, drop a comment below or hit that subscribe button. We've got plenty more clear, practical AI productivity hacks coming your way in future videos. That's all for today, folks. Remember, the future of productivity is here. It is up to you to grab it with both hands and run with it. Until next time, keep innovating, keep creating, and most importantly, keep having fun with these incredible tools. See you in the next video.